Ooh. Damn it.
People trapped in Louisiana by high water left behind by Hurricane Ida. 911 service and electricity are out in and around New Orleans. That means no lights, no air conditioning. It also means the citywide...
I'm in the turn lane, you stupid bitch.
Thanks for everything.
What?
Is it your van?
Well, yeah. Why would I go to Wendy's to make you pay? Whoa!
Fuck, I got that.
Yo. Chill.
Ну ёбен бот, Виталин. Ну и чё мы будем делать? Ну. Ну. Блядь.
Какие-то проблемы. Сдай назад, у него с тебя не будет проблем, ты нормально поедешь, понял?
А ты меня пугаешь или
Да,
что?
пугаю. Поверь мне, пугаю.
Заебись.
Сдай
Вот
назад.
теперь точно не отъеду. Ля клоун.
Look at that! Oh my god!
Jeez. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god.
Trying to leave!
You've reached 911 emergency for the City of Los Angeles. Do not hang up. Your call will be answered by the next available operator. Please remain on the line. If you hang up and call back.
Yeah, I got a hit and run. Off of Parthenia.
Are you following the car, sir?
Yes, I am. It's a gold Cadillac. Can you hear me?
What's the license plate? Yes, I can. What's the plate?
Hold on. I'm headed right on Raymond.
Okay, sir,
going back to Parthenia. Going back to Parthenia.
What's the plate? The license plate is what we need, sir. What's the plate?
No. I'm right here at 18042. Stop. I got him on camera. Stop. Sit on the street. Sit on the street. Stop. Brother, sit down. No. Sit right. I'm on. Sit down.
Okay, what's your name? Sit
down. Don't move. Sit down. Don't move. Can you hear me? I'm at
I can hear you. You're at 18042 Parthenia?
I'm at 18033. I don't know the name of this street.
18033, what street? Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay, let me try to find your location. So, were you involved in a hit and run?
No, he did. I just watched it. Sit down on the curb, man. Sit down on the curb.
Are you an off-duty officer, sir?
Sit down.
Are you an off-duty officer?
Sit down on the curb.
Okay, sir, I'm going to send the police to 18033 Parthenia.
No. Don't touch nothing. Get back over there. Hey, man, sit down. Okay, he's trying to leave. I'm at 180. I don't know. Can you see the name of the street?
Yeah, Parthenia. Stay on the line, sir. Okay, don't hang up. Hold on.
I'm not on Parthenia.
Accident.
Another accident.
Last night, Humphrey Street in Highfield, to report an altercation that when shots were fired, an 18-year-old suffered facial injuries and remains in hospital. It's believed a group of people ran from the area following the incident. Women in Lancashire are adding their voices to...
I let my guard down, especially in my local area. I don't feel too threatened here, but what's happened with Sarah goes to show that you aren't safe anywhere, really.
University of Central Lancashire is investigating a cyber attack which happened at the weekend. Students and staff were stopped from using a number of systems following an incident on Sunday as a precautionary measure. UPlan says there's no evidence of any loss of data and are liaising with the police in other